much for clicking on this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thanks for taking some time every day to hang out with me. Today's video, I'm super excited because it is a giveaway and I have been looking forward to this giveaway for so long. With everything going on, this giveaway kind of got pushed out, but I hit 2 milestones in 2020. One, I hit 1K subscribers earlier on in the year, and then I've also been monetized for around a month right now. So I really wanted to celebrate those 2 milestones with you guys, because without you guys, I wouldn't be here and this channel wouldn't exist. So I just want to get back to the little community that we have created together. Oh girl, I have these 2 BoxyCharm boxes stuffed with goodies. They are heavy. I'm gonna set them down, but they are jam-packed with so many goodies, and I'm so excited to give back to you guys. You guys mean so much to me, and I think we can all agree that 2020 has definitely been a year. It's been rough, it's been hard, and when everything first started, I know my mental health really took a toll, and I kind of cut back on filming, editing. I just wasn't feeling motivated. I didn't really know how to feel. I kind of just felt empty. So it was definitely a struggle. Around May is when I started feeling a lot better, and that's when I started filming, editing, and uploading regularly again. And it's been because of the support from you guys. And I just really want to thank you guys, because you guys are always there for me. And I always want to let you guys know that your love and support always means so much to me, like words can't even describe, and it doesn't go unnoticed at all. These giveaways are just a small token of my gratitude. Honestly, I don't know how I would have made it through lockdown, quarantine without having my channel. It's just been really nice supporting each other, having some shoulders to lean on. So now that we're all in the feels, I'm sure you guys are curious to know what the rules on how to enter and how long this giveaway is going to be going on for. So there will be 2 winners, but don't worry, there's going to be some more giveaways happening. We're slowly creeping up on 2K, which that will be another huge giveaway. Rules how to enter. You must be subscribed to my channel. I will look and check to verify that you are subscribed. If you are chosen and I see that you're not subscribed, I'm going to move on to the next person. Like this video and comment below, what have you binged either on Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Prime, HBO Max. I'm kind of building a list of things to binge because there are so many popular shows out there that I haven't binged, and people look at me going, you haven't watched that? So I'm trying to build a list together and kind of just try to binge some other things and watching the same things over and over again. But I have also seen that if you have anxiety, that you really like to enjoy the same shows over and over and over again because you know the plot and it makes you happy and all that. So I'm like, no wonder I just keep watching Bob's Burgers during quarantine. So those are the 3 basic rules to enter: subscribe, like, and comment. When I do my giveaways, I always like to have bonus entries for you guys. For bonus entries, you can follow me on my social media platforms. Instagram is _Amanda, Twitter is also _Amanda, and then Twitch is twitch.tv/ayyyeeeitsamanda. So those are 3 additional entries right there. Once a day through the day that the giveaway is open till, which will be July 31st. You can post a picture of this giveaway thumbnail on Twitter. Make sure you tag me in it, that way I can see your entry and I can record it. And the same can be done on Instagram, that you can post once a day through July 31st a thumbnail picture of this giveaway and just tag me as well. So those are so many bonus entries right there if you have both Instagram or Twitter. But if you don't have Instagram or Twitter, there's going to be some additional ways for bonus entries. Any video that I upload between after this giveaway goes live through July 31st, if you comment below a genuine comment about the video, that will be recorded as an additional bonus entry as well. So there's multiple different ways to get bonus entries, and then the usual rules: you must be 18 years old or older. YouTube is not affiliated with this giveaway. All the products that are in this giveaway I bought myself, or they came in some of the boxes that I get, which also I pay for. And this is going to be the first time that this giveaway is going to be international. I am so excited that my international friends get to participate. I promised when I hit 1K and got monetized that that was going to be the only rule changing, is that it's no longer just US only. I am super excited for that. And as I mentioned during the bonus entries, this giveaway is going to be open through July 31st at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and then the winner will be chosen August 1st. You will have 72 hours to get back to me. So please let me know in the comments below a method of contact, whether it's Instagram, Twitter, or your email. The winner will be announced in the comments on my community tab, as well as Instagram and Twitter, so hopefully that'll give you enough time to get back to me. If I don't hear back within 72 hours, I will unfortunately have to move on to the next winner. I hope you guys are excited for this giveaway. I know I am. It's been a hot minute since I've done a giveaway, but with everything going on, some of the stuff that I ordered from other sites took forever to get in, but they're finally in. There was a lot of shipping delays, so I really wanted to wait until everything got in. That way this giveaway was super special and not just half-assed. Don't forget to enter, subscribe, like, comment. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, because if you don't, you're not entered in this giveaway, and I'll see you in the next video.